Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I just wanted to come on and show you guys a couple of things that I have been working on, that I have been doing, and then I'm going to actually do a flip through of a prayer journal that I made for myself. And yep, I really love her. She is super sweet. Yep, really do love it. So this right here, guys, we'll just get right into it, I guess. This right here is actually a antique French book that I own. This is the cover, so this is the front. Looks like this, and then this is the back. So I just laid it on my copier and made a copy of it. So I will be making a journal with this at some point. But I don't know if I'm actually going to cut the spine off of this and actually use this to cover a hardcover journal like this. Use it to cover that. Or, well, not this particular one, but you know. Or if I'm going to just fold it and make a kind of some kind of soft cover journal. That would be similar to the journals that Leslie makes over at 507 Willow House. So we will see. And then this is another one. Absolutely gorgeous covers. So yeah, excited to use those. Hold on just a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I am in the middle of doing some printer, and for some reason my printer has gotten to where it likes to misfeed the paper, so then it stops. This right here is another tall skinny journal. I have just put papers in. I have not sewn them in yet. So I used the same cover as I used for one of our last ones, and this one has some other pages in it, but it also has a lot of my digitals in them. So that one, and then that one, and I did not back any of these. That's one of mine. And then we have that one. This one's one of mine. That one's also, I think this one I actually did as a freebie in my Facebook group. Don't remember whose that one was. This is where I had printed on some vellum. And then this one is one of mine of my antique wallpaper. And then that one is one of mine. Then we have this one. I think this is actually of a magazine that I own, if I'm not mistaken. And then that one's one of mine. That one as well. And then the center of the signature is also one of mine. So I have put that together, and just wanted to have something in here to play around with when I wanted to play. So I have that. Still got to go in and put some coffee dyed and avocado dyed paper in it, but that's got the digital started. So I have that. And then, guys, I had this book right here. It is an antique book. I don't remember if I kept it at the front to see the year in it. Nope. Oh, well, maybe we did. It's Waverly Novels. That doesn't tell us. Nope, I didn't, so I'm not going to search for it. Look at that little tissue paper. Love that. So I kept that, and that was like the first page on the inside. And then this right here. Maybe this will tell us. No. Nope. This right here says 1858. So yeah, so the book was already falling apart, and the spine was pretty much disintegrated off of it. So I just finished taking the book pages apart, and what I started doing is the last couple of days, just a little bit here and a little bit there, is I got out my watercolors and just started doing some mark making that I had saw Rachel do. So these are a little stack of pink ones, and I do see Leslie use these a good bit. I had done some more, and for the life of me, I have no idea what I did with them. But we have pink, well, lots of pink, and then I also did some green ones. So we have green, and then I also did some blue ones, a couple of different kinds of blue actually. But yeah, I did some blue, so those will be fun. And then I had an antique music sheet, so I did the same thing with it. There's some blue. I'm not sure if I did green on these or not. I may not have. Let's see. Nope, I think I just did pink and blue. Yep, just did some pink and blue on these. So those will be fun to use. So I just stuck those here in this bag. I need to locate those other ones and figure out what I did with those. And those book pages were actually from this book that I did that on. Alright, so now guys, the flip through of my prayer journal. We will get on it. And this right here is a little stack of, this is actually an antique Bible, and it's German. And it was pretty much disintegrated. The front and back was missing, and so was, I mean, it wasn't missing. I have the front and the back, but it was no longer attached. So I had taken out all the Psalms from that Bible and wanted to start incorporating it in some of my journals, depending on what the journal was. But this right here is my prayer journal, guys. And this book cover was actually made by my friend Dee Dee Farrago. Bought it probably a year and a half ago, if not longer, if not 2 years. And it's soft covered, really squishy. And what she actually did was she stamped the butterflies and this stamp here, and the word believe and hope. That's what sold me. Hope is my word. Faith and breathe. Absolutely beautiful journal. And she has a button here, and then there is a pocket here and here if I want to keep any little notes in there. I did put a couple of things in it, but I didn't really like it. I absolutely love this cover just the way that it is. So we open it up, and you'll have to forgive me. I do not remember whose kit this was that I used. She's a little chunky, but she is not over embellished because I really wanted this as a prayer journal that I could write in. So we have a couple of yeah, those things. Journaling cards. Oh my goodness. There. And I do absolutely love this kit. So there is avocado dyed papers in here, coffee dyed papers, coffee dyed stencil paper. Yeah, a little bit of everything. So this right here was a pocket I made from the masterboard that I had made, and that little card was in the kit, so I put that there and just covered that tag. It was actually in the kit. Look at how pretty that is. Avocado dyed there. And this is just one of those over the page bookmarks, or whatever it is you want to call it, and I had just collaged on that and then put one of those small journaling cards there and there. And then here, this is an antique book page from a book from Rachel over at Rock's Creations, and a little journaling card there on this lined coffee dyed stenciled paper. And then this is the other side. If you guys would remember, I made those quite a while back, and they were in my stash, so I wanted to pull them out and use them. Avocado dyed. It says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Matthew 5:9. This is another pocket that I made from the masterboard. Put this little journaling card there. And in this pocket, I just put this in there because I love the blue here, the stamps. But this is actually just a canceled check from July 14th, 1952. And I love that as well. So I love the front and the back. So I just put that journaling card in there and then stuck it in that pocket. I really like that blue. And this is some more avocado dyed paper, and just paper clipped a little journaling card there. It's got that pink in it, which I love, so. And it sounds like that printer is messing up again. Lace dyed, coffee dyed paper. This, guys, right here is a crocheted piece with some buttons and some little pink, looks like flat back blingy stuff is and this was made by my friend Claudia over at Timeless Crochet for You. So I knew I'd been saving this for a long time. I knew I wanted it in this journal. And then a big journaling card stuck back there. And then this paper clip is this was one of Rachel at Roxy Creations, Roxy's weekly challenge that we made, antique book page. I can open that up and journal in there, and then that's just stuck in there, so I've just got it paper clipped there. And then on the other side just stuck a journaling card from the kit there. This was some more of that collage masterboard. Put a little journaling card there, and this right here was an envelope from the kit. Just stuck it in there, and a journaling card that I backed with some coffee dyed paper in there. So that's in that pocket. Love this kit. I love my journal. I think this coffee dyed I did. And this right here was another one of Rachel's weekly challenges. Just put a journaling card in there. And this, guys, is just one piece of paper folded up. Again, I could open this up and journal on here, all of that paper, but here is where I chose to put a piece of that antique German Bible, a Psalms sheet, and just tucked that journaling card in there, and then just tucked it in the back there. Love that so much. And then it's just paper clipped at the bottom. Avocado dyed, lace dyed. Another pocket that I made. I think some of these pages in here is from Jolene at A Jewel Design. I had bought one of her kits, I don't know, a year and a half or so ago, and had quite a bit left, so I used some of it. And there's some of Rachel at Roxy Creations, and then Gail Augustinelli. Put, again, one of the little small journaling cards there, and two of the tags there that I backed. That's the middle of the signature. It is, isn't that beautiful? It is just a one signature journal. Again, another piece of the collage masterboard with a tiny journaling card. And then this was actually in the kit, and you could just open it up and journal on the inside. And it was kind of, yeah, popping open, so I just put a paper clip there. So that's in that pocket. And some more avocado dyed. Another one of those with another piece of the German book page with a journaling card, and a small journaling card here. This right here, guys, I think it was from Claudia at Timeless Crochet for You, but I am not 100% positive. It may have been from, nope, I think it's from her. I think, yep, don't quote me on that. Or quote me, and then we'll both be wrong. So, another collage masterboard with a small journaling card, and a tag and journaling card in there. Oh, I love this so much. I can't wait to get to writing. It's what I'm going to do tonight. I am filming on, let's see, what is today? Friday the 31st. Tomorrow's April the 1st. Another one of those from Rachel over at Roxy Creations on her weekly challenge. And these, guys, I just got out of my stash. So, and then on the other side I had that small journaling card on this side. This was also from Claudia at Timeless Crochet for You. Absolutely amazing. And I put a journaling card from the kit in there. Love that. So we have one going horizontal and one going horizontal, and anyway, the other way. I'm going blank, guys. I am having a really good day, though. It's been a really good day. Oh, my goodness. Okay, and another collage pocket. And a tag from the kit in there. I just backed with some coffee dyed paper, avocado dyed paper. Another one of those on the antique book page that we had made. Just stuck another one of the, yeah, those things right there. I'm all kind of blank today, guys. And this is the antique document holder that was in my stash that we made. Again, it was one of Rachel's, Roxy's weekly challenge. And, of course, I had to have some pink in here, so that is where I chose that one. Avocado dyed dolly. And another piece of that masterboard that I made. So this tag was in the kit, but I put this from the kit on the front and then covered the back. And this is the back pocket here. Yeah, I showed you what was in the front pocket. So this is just a journaling card from the kit. And then I wanted to throw some more pink in there, guys, because, you know, pink's my signature color. So this was just a little booklet that I made many, many moons ago. So I decided to put it in the pocket back here so I could have that little splash of pink. And then that's the back cover, which also has a pocket if I should decide to put something in there. So that, guys, is my prayer journal that I had been working on. And I know this is not how Dee Dee had it tied. I didn't pay attention to it. So yeah, there we go. Anyway, she's tied up. So that is my prayer journal. Yeah, thank you all for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day wherever you are. And many blessings your way. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.